At Camira, we are global textile experts with outstanding manufacturing and design capabilities. Camira Knit is one of our advanced technological capabilities for a range of different furniture and product applications. We've been doing technical knitting for over 2 decades, so we've got a huge amount of experience and have worked with some great designers and brands. More recently, that knit has really caught people's imagination for its exciting possibilities in terms of aesthetics, functionality, and of course, sustainability.
The key part of the design was this, the hazing effect, the way that as the material wraps around the form, due to the 3D nature of the knit, the depth of it, the light fades away as it disappears around the rounded form. The technology develops, obviously, as the machines develop. It really starting to give many different options for different types of product.
Camira is wonderful. The relationship there has grown tremendously over the past years in task seating, and being able to work together in a very fluid, design-focused way has been extremely instrumental. We all have this common goal of changing the way that people think about fabrication. Given that design is limitless in knits, it has already been viewed as one of our newest, greatest, latest things. So I see this not only living in our task seating, I see this going completely across our portfolio. I see this growing with us as a company as we learn more about the process.
My design vision when working with the Evo chair was to create a very natural feeling, to create an armchair that you want to experience and touch and really get close to. Most exciting things working with knit for me as a designer is the way that I can combine both function and aesthetics in the same process. So the knit really allows this chair to have a great comfort with a self-supporting seat, and at the same time I can work with the structure of the knit and adding fine little details that really enhances the product.
The beauty of technical knitting is the whole knit to fit. You can also achieve zero waste. But for me, it's the knit feels way more organic. If you're knitting something to fit, it is going to fit. It is going to slip onto whatever framework that you're working with and then naturally have its own kind of structure and tension and form that it takes on, with so many more possibilities.
So Camira have the license for the shrink knit technology. So what we actually do here is we will knit the part off it, we will use a shrink yarn. Now the beauty of that is we incorporate the yarn into the product, which is a standard product. We'll make the part slightly bigger. The upholsterers will put it together, but because it is bigger, it makes it a lot easier to fit. What happens then is that they'll put it through a very gentle steam or IR heat oven process that will then shrink the part to fit the actual frame, which will give the tension that they require. Because we are making bespoke parts, working with designers, working with engineers, that collaboration is key. We cannot create what we do without that collaboration. Here at Knit use many yarns, but what we're actually working on at the moment is using the New Life yarn, which is actually a recycled polyester. We also use the Sequel yarn, which is actually made from ocean waste plastic, which has a fantastic story, and that built into our process where we're actually making a part that has no waste, just is a fantastic closed loop process.